Good morning to all my dear friends and respectful professor. Today I am going to talk about the most popular brand of the fuel, which has a branches all over the world, and its name is British Petroleums. So today I am going to talk about three factors about British Petroleums. First is how they are, second is what they are, and the last but not least, the third one is why they are so successful. So let's start from number one, that how they are. So let's present the number one slide. So yeah, so first is number how they are. So in this vector, British Petroleums provide information that how much they care about safety of employees and the customers. So the first priority for them is safety and compliance for other and working together as an integrated BP team. Okay, so now let's talk about the second one is what they are. So in this vector, they describe about two things. So number one is that they help people of the whole world by providing fuel with less emissions and by providing fuel with less emissions, by providing heat, light, and mobility. And the second point is that they provide mobility service and energy of the future. So let's talk about number three, that why they are so successful in the industry. The success story of BP is they have a specialized machinery to explore the fuel from the deep water. So with the help of this machinery, they explore oil in the northern sea, and along that they also find the treasure north coast of Alaska. They have a high efficiency in discovery, processing, and conversions of oil, and cost efficiency to the oil forms. So today I gained too much of knowledge from these references. All websites they have references of your for your idea. So there are over three references that I have gained knowledge about a particular topic. So just I put it over the last slide on the PowerPoint presentation for your idea that how much knowledge they have on the website. So I hope so that you like your I hope so that you like my presentation, and today I give my best for this presentation. So thank you for listening me and have a nice day. Thank you.